Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account, and the reason I say this is because people that already use My Lead Gen Secret usually have multiple accounts, but we using one account because a beginner who just starting, you guys, so to speak, will only use one account to see if it works first. So I want to try to emulate that type of results and try to show you guys, even with the minimal effort, this is what you can make with this product here. You may make more than me, you may make less than me, but this should be like the general idea of what you make. Alright guys, so first off, if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Now let's get started. Okay, so first off, I want to talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. Now essentially it's a really good product. It's a funnel builder, and there's no limitations on the funnel builder, so to speak, as like how many funnel pages you can make, domain name, how many people can see your funnel, how many funnels you can generally make, how many pages on the funnel. I probably said that already. Anyway guys, just no limitations. That's what I'm trying to say. Alright, so and it's only $25 per month. Now the biggest funnel builder out right now, I believe, is ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month. Already that's about 4 months in this, and you got a ton of limitations, guys. Like, you can't make as many funnels you want, you can't make as many pages you want. It's all kinds of limitations. How many domains you can connect, how many people can even see your funnel in the first place. So, and if you want to get rid of those limitations, you got to pay $300 per month, which is like, I'm pretty sure that's a whole year in My Lead Gen Secret. Not My Lead Gen Secret, but the $25 business. All right, guys. So yeah, it's just worth it. You know what I mean? I can't believe I used to pay $300. But anyway, guys, the second reason that I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business, and I think the reason you guys are interested and why I was interested in the first place, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80 cents recurring commissions, which is insanity, guys. That's the highest I ever heard by far. It's not even close. Like, nothing comes close. The closest on heard is like 40%. 80% is ridiculous. All right, guys. So you can really build your income up real fast with this product if you really put in like a ton of effort. But we doing the bare minimum, guys, and we making a ton of money. All right, and I'm showing you every step of the way. You know what I mean? Cause I think you guys are interested in seeing the results. You know what I mean? Cause I'm showing you what I'm doing to get these results, and I'm showing you the results every single day. I might not get sales, I might do get sales, but that's just the way I'm rolling. And I want to show you guys, and I think you guys are interested in it, because I'd be interested in it if it was about me, if I was looking up how to make money online, so to speak. All right, so guys, anyway, let's refresh the page, see what's going on. All right, guys, looks like we did it. We got 2 sales. We got 2 sales yesterday.
Nice.
Now, that's great there. That's really great, guys. So we managed to get 2 sales yesterday, guys. That means we're slowly building up, guys. We're slowly building up even more and more. We already beat our September numbers. Now we on track for beating our October numbers. All right, guys. We still got a couple more days left in this month, and yeah, man, it's just great. This is working, guys. You see how simple this is, and it's working. That's all I want to show you guys. I want to show you how easy it is to make this kind of money. You can think about it, $400 a month just doing this. What bill could you pay with that? You could pay a couple of bills with that. You know what I mean? You could do something with it. That's some change you could just use. All right, guys. Also, make sure people refresh the page when they show you results, because that's very, very important. Because it's very easy to turn all these numbers around and make it look like whatever I want. I could put like an extra zero behind it and say I made $4,000, whatever, right? That's just how the roll. That's how it works. All right, guys. So anyway, we're gonna go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're gonna click on that, select all my leads here. We're gonna go to our next email here, put that in the system, and this email here, like that. You just copy the words, you don't need the pictures. Just copy the words, guys, if you're interested in using this email here. You can copy that, pause it, copy, pause it, copy, pause it, copy, pause it, copy. Put the link right there, guys. Put the link right there. Talk more soon. Now the link you want to use, guys, real quick. The link you want to use is the all-in-one $25 digital business. The reason I use this link because it's been working for me essentially, and also because it promotes 2 recurring incomes. One is $20, the other is $100. That means you can get $120 off of every single person in the system. Alright guys, and if say they join at just $20, at any point they upgrade to the $100 as well, you will get that payment. You'll start getting that payment. So yeah, it's very worth it to promote this. But anyway, you put that link in right there. My link should be already in there. Yes it is. Let's see what. Okay, you can put the link right here as well. Alright guys, just pause it at certain points. Let me make sure you can copy that. Just pause it at certain points and you got it. Alright, got you a good email. So anyway, make sure you hit perfect time. Perfect time does send email around time. People check the emails. Make sure to preview. Make sure your link works. That's very important. Make sure your link works. And we're gonna send an email just like that. We are done, guys. That's all it takes. About 4 or 5 minutes every morning, especially, and even less than that when you start getting all your emails listed up together. Like I got a bunch of emails in there, right? And yeah, that's all it takes, man. Yeah, it's working for me, guys. As you see, I'm showing you results every single day, and it's working for me, guys. So like I stated before, you interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.